Hello darlings and welcome back to my channel. To all my old and new subscribers, thank you for tuning in. If you're new and just passing by for the first time, please do not go away without clicking on the subscribe button down below and click on the notification bell because it will notify you of any time I upload a new video. So guys, do not mind my no makeup face. I was just too excited to present this video to you guys, so I didn't care about makeup and all that. Well, as for today's video, I'm sure you already know from the title, it is about my favorite rice water. Many of you who are familiar with my channel will already know how much I love rice water. Yes, because rice water has helped my hair a lot. So guys, of recent I got to discover that we have actually been doing the rice water the wrong way. Yes, well, it's not as if it doesn't work too. It does work, but there is a better and effective way to do the rice water for maximum results. Yes, so guys, I got to discover this other way from a fellow YouTuber here on YouTube, and I tried to do a bit of research on it too, and I found out that yes, that is how the Yao women from Asia do their rice water. That's why it's very effective for their hair. That's why you see most of these women, even in their 60s, 70s, their hair is long and shiny and dark. You don't see no gray on their hair. It is actually the way in which they do their own rice water, and I think this way is the best way and it is very effective. Though I haven't used it, but I will be doing it. I'll be showing you guys the proper way to do the rice water, and I'll be trying it out in another video for sure. I will be sharing with you guys what I think about this new way of doing rice water. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Let's do the rice water the Yao women's way. So guys, let's get started. So guys, this is the rice I'll be using for my rice water. I'll just add the amount of water I need. No need for parboiling. So next step, we need to wash the rice properly to get out all those nutrients that the hair needs out. So this is it. This is exactly what we need from the rice. So the next step, separate the liquid from the rice and pour into your bottle or jar, whatever you're using to preserve your rice water. So this is the leftover rice. You can decide to throw away or do whatever you want. Cook it. So now let's go to the next step. Now get any citrus fruits like orange, lemon or mandarin. It is actually the skin we need. This is how the Yao women do their rice water. They take any acidic fruits and use the skin. So next, we're going to pour our rice water into a pot just like this. Then I'm going to throw in the skin of the lemon and the orange like this. You can use only orange, only lemon, only mandarin, or all of them. Now we're going to put it on the stove to boil for at least 30 to 60 seconds, which is a minute. So this is it. After about a minute, it has boiled out. As you can see, even see the color. Wow. So I'm going to put off the gas and allow the solution to cool down. So guys, after the rice water has cooled down, we're going to transfer back into the jar or any of the containers you want to use. So guys, see how nice the color is. It even looks like a juice. Mind you guys, we're still going to transfer the orange and the lemon peel back into the solution like this. So from what I learned, with this way you can preserve this water for 1 week, 1 month or thereabouts. But in my own case, I think I'll be preserving it the maximum for 10 days, I guess. And after then, I can use, I'll be storing it in my refrigerator. Then when I'm about to apply it on my hair, I will show you guys my results. So guys, this is the true and real recipe of rice water. This is how the Yao women does it. That's why they have long, shiny and healthy hair without gray hairs even when they are 60, 70, 80. And this solution smells so nice. You know how the smell of the lemon and the orange is on it. So guys, we have actually come to the end of this video. I do hope you find this recipe helpful. Please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye.